Hello everyone, myself Sushma Pujar studying in B.Ed first sem in Keli Society's College of Education Vidyanagar Hubballi. I am presenting a seminar on MS Word and MS Excel under the guidance of Pradeep A. Lakshetty sir. What is Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word is excellent for creating different documents on your computer. This presentation will cover the basic steps for the following like text formatting, tables, graphics. Next, parts of MS Word 2007 environment. These are the parts of a MS Word like the Office button, the tabs, the ribbon, the groups, the quick access toolbar, the title bar, the view buttons, the view ruler button, the split button, the tab selector, the insertion point and the zoom slide. And next, the document area or a workspace. The rulers like horizontal and vertical, the scroll bars horizontal and vertical, the status bar, the dialog box launcher, and the select browse object, the minimize button, the maximize button, and the restore button, and lastly the close button. We can see all these parts in this diagram. This is the MS Word window. Next, for example, let's say you have an essay to write. First, you panic. Your paper is due in 3 days. Then you open your Microsoft Word. Quickly, you can get an idea to type a letter in a Microsoft Word. Then you start typing away. Words become sentences. Sentences turn into paragraph, and the formatting begins. Like next. You can use different formatting tools when creating the following like school papers, class newspapers, resumes. Like school papers are including, for example, if you want to present any seminar topic, you can prepare in the MS Word for the school. Next, whatever you type, just remember to always check spelling. For example, imagine you have typed a letter in MS Word, you made a mistake while typing. This check spelling comes under the review ribbon and you can check the spellings made done by you and you can also check the grammar error. Next, you can also create tables in MS Word. Tables helps us to prepare a marks list of the students and employees salary in office, and it is useful in office and the schools nowadays. Next, you can insert a table in your document by clicking on the table button. It is present in the top toolbar. For example, if you want to prepare a marks list of the student in a school, you can insert a table in a MS Word. It is present in the top toolbar. Next, you can use tables in your documents for the following like school presentation or projects. For example, max. Next, making calendars and help with max anyone. For example, you can insert a table and make your own calendar in the MS Word. Next, you could also insert pictures, photos and clip art into your documents. For example, if you want to make a document colorful and attractive, you can also insert the pictures from your gallery and photos and clip art into your documents. Next, to insert a picture or a clip art, you would click on the insert button. It is also present in the top toolbar. Next, you can transfer photos from your camera directly into your MS Word pages. Next, you can make fun birthday cards and or you can write a book. For example, if you want to give special gift to your friend on his birthday, you can make a fun birthday cards in MS Word by typing your own text. Next one, let us start about MS Excel. What is MS Excel? MS Excel is an application software and MS Excel is used for calculation purpose and Excel files are called as workbook and files are saved with the extension of XLS. Let us know what is workbook and what is worksheet. Workbook, it is a collection of worksheet by different. There are 3 sheets available in the single sheet. Next, what is worksheet? Worksheet is an individual page of a workbook. In every single there are 65,536 rows and 256 columns. Next, features of Excel. There are three features of Excel. First one is a spreadsheet and worksheet. Second one database. Third one is a chart. Let us know what is spreadsheet and worksheet. The grid of rows and columns called spreadsheet or worksheet, and a database, it is a collection of information about a particular subject, and the chart is a pictorial representation of data is called a chart. Next, let us know about the insert menu. The insert menu allows you to add new worksheets, rows and columns to an existing. You can also insert charts, objects, pictures onto your worksheet. Next, in this presentation we mainly focuses on formulas and functions in the MS Excel, how it will work. Formula means the manipulation of text called formula, and it is used for calculation purpose. And there are rules for entering formula. First one is formulas always begins with a equal sign or symbol. If you want to get any answers by using formulas, first we have to put equal sign. And second one is formula should not contain any blank spaces. And third one is formula should not excel more than 255 characters. Next one is a function. Function is a protector form of a formula. We have to give a value and it will display the result. In function, the user should not give any operator, but he has to provide arguments in the function. There are four types of the function. First one is mathematical function, second one is statistical function, third one is date and time function, fourth one is logical function. Let us see one by one. First one is mathematical function. It is used for the calculation purpose. First one is a sum. This function is used to add the arguments given in the range. For example, if you want to add any two numbers, first you have to put equal sign and then type sum, and in the bracket you have to give the range and it will display the result. Next one is a product. This function is used to multiply the given values using the sign star. In the MS Excel, if you want to multiply the two numbers, we have to give the star sign, and for example we have to start with the equal sign and product, and in the bracket we have to give the range. Next one is division. To divide, use the bar sign. For example, if you want to divide any two numbers, first we have to put the equal sign and it will give the result. Next, statistical function. Here we mainly focuses on minimum and maximum. This function is used to find out the minimum lowest value of a given range. And the maximum. This function is used to find out the highest value of the given range. Next one is a date and the time function. This function is used to display the date and time. For example, now this function will display the current system date and time. You have to put the equal sign first and type the now and put bracket. It will give the present date and time. Next one, today. This function will display only the current system date. Next one, logical function. These functions are used to compare the value and display the result. If the given condition is true, it will display the true result. If the given condition is false, then it will display the false result. There are two types of functions. First one is if and second one is and. If function. This function will display the result if the given condition is true. Otherwise, it will display the false result. For example, equal to if I3 is equal to 35 inverted comma pass and fail. Next one is the AND function. This function is used to display the result by applying more than one condition in the function. For example, is equal to if and bracket I3 is greater than or equal to 35, I3 is less than or equal to 50 in bracket pass comma fail. This function is mainly used in the preparing of the of the marks list of the students. Thank you.